you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. We are doing things a bit differently today. We are doing a groupie review, okay? We are out in the streets with our man and we are doing a review brought to you by Nadula Hair. So Nadula Hair actually set us up with a really easy unit. She has 2 combs in the front, okay, get into it. 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps will kind of forever. Look at that lace parting, okay? I believe this is I'm not going to say it out loud. I'm going to type it in because I know I'm going to mess it up. But look how good that lace looks. Look how beautiful that is. I'm going to flip it over for you guys. Okay? Them knots is a little knot, and they knotting a little bit, but it still looks really good. So she has the lace in the back as well as the comb in the back. Adjustable straps for kind of forever. Now, this is 24 inches, guys, of love, sex, and magic from Nadula Hair. Okay? Are you getting that? And I love units like this because I already know it's going to be easy. And when you're a groupie, you can't be having all these extensive hairstyles. It has to be super easy. You got to be able to come in, throw it on, and go. So that's what we're going to do. Now, along with the unit, Nadula Hair so graciously provided us with this cute little gift bag that includes a cap that I'm going to need because I'm on a groupie mission. I didn't bring a cap, so I'm going to need a cap. You understand? You picking up what I'm putting down? They also provided us with the wig grip. I think I'm going to use this today, guys. I really, really do because I'm going to try not to glue her down. This cute little gift, which I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a cute little necklace. Is this for me or for everyone? Oh, that might be for me. You know, they dating me or whatever. So, and some lashes, okay? So let's go on ahead and get on into this and see what she is working with. So I want a middle part. I like this wig grip though. Look how much space it gives you, especially if you have a smaller head. I love that. So you put the lace where you're gonna lay your lace. If you wore it to the side, you'll put it to the side. And I'm just gonna tighten it as tight as possible. It's gripping this cat, that's for sure. I'm just gonna throw her on. Yeah. You don't need glue for this at all, guys. At all. All I'm gonna do is flatten the top and I'll come back with a beat face. All right, my loves. In true groupie fashion, I am back with my Nadula Hair 5x5 HD lace closure wig. Okay, so this is a 180% density body wave unit. Now, this unit is currently going for just under $285. I know we are clutching our pearls, but however, when you live in a groupie lifestyle, somebody got to be funding it, right? So, okay, are you picking up what I'm putting down? But are you picking up what I'm putting down? So what I'm doing right now is I'm just going through, hitting up the top of my head, okay, with my Andes straightening comb. I'm going to continue to say, stomp my feet and clap my hands about this straightening comb because it is one of the best that has ever been produced. That is a plug-in straightening comb. So you guys should check that out. I'm just trying to flatten out the top because in true groupie fashion, I got places to go and I had a little less time than I expected. So this unit is perfect for throw on and go. When I tell you that the curls stay, the unit is beautiful. I did not experience any shedding or any tangling at all. This was really the one. I really enjoyed this unit. Now, I am a Nadula Hair fan. It's not up for debate. We all know that. But mother gives, okay? She is providing for the children. So I'm going to shut my Mimi tap mouth. And we're going to get on the other side where we can really talk some mess. Nadula Hair unit. I lived a full groupie life in her. Okay, I actually didn't get to curl her up like I wanted to. I just kind of wore her in her very natural state, okay, out in the streets. Because when you're a groupie, sometimes you gotta just throw your wig on and go, or throw it off and do all the things that you need to do. So, if you're picking up what I'm putting down, I'm just gonna go on ahead and throw this on right quick. I really do love this wig. Where is my... One of the great things that they also provided us with was the wig grip, and I was obsessed with that because it's a wig grip, and she's very much giving Wendy Williams right now, and we don't want that. We want a more natural look. First things first, she's not glued down. Why? Because she doesn't need to be. That's the wonderful thing about this actual unit in particular. She is a little bit big head friendly, guys. I'm going to tell you that straight up. Just brush. She didn't tangle much. She didn't shed much at all. She actually is really fantastic hair. I'm just going to give her a light bump. Something light. And we're going to get this together at the top. Because she could lay a little bit better than that, right? So what I'm going to use... Do I have it right here? No. I'm going to use my freeze spray. Okay. I actually like I've been using the Aussie one. But she kind of dries white. And I don't really like that. I'm going to use the Got to Be Glued. I haven't used her in a while. She's all hard at the thing. Let me see. Okay, we're good. I'm just gonna put a little in the center. Now, also one of the great things about this unit is that if I wanted to wear her on the side, look at that parting space. Okay, so she's really raring and ready to go when it comes to that. But let's just go on ahead. I'm gonna use my Andes straightening comb, guys. The best straightening comb. You want an electric straightening comb? She heats up fast and she gets super duper hot. So I'm just going to go on through and get this nicely together. And I just want to make sure it's just laying properly, like neat and nice. Like she coming right up out the skizzo. Okay. I'm just going through. Now also, if you're looking to make sure your install lays a little flatter, you can always use a little setting mousse as well. I just want to make sure she's looking real good. Boom. Yeah, I want to make sure she's super flat, okay? Actually, really, like I said, I love this hair. I'm just going to put a little bit of mousse on the top. Just a little. And that also helps with those flyaways, guys. Yeah, there you go. And in big sections, I'm just gonna curl this up because I want to just give her a cute little bump, and then I'm done. Okay, why? Because this is a groupie style. The groupie style says take big sections because you gotta go, you gotta get in and out. My man got places to be, okay? And if I'm trying to be at the stage and up front or whatever the case may be, I got to be there, and I got to be able to do things like this fast. So I'm just gonna go on through, and these are my Babyliss wand curlers, guys. I love these things. I'm gonna be honest, this is one of my better purchases. I've been trying to buy like a lot better curling irons and everything like that, but with a good piece of hair and a good curling iron, child, you can get in and out of here. The only thing I really can't find right now, y'all should see my beauty room. It's a mess. It's a mess, and y'all would be disappointed in me, to be honest. But who gonna come over here and clean it up? Which one of my girlfriends gonna come through and clean it up? Cause the way my life's set up right now, y'all, it ain't gonna be me. It just ain't. So we just gonna do big pieces again. Okay. And I'm doing this like legit in real time. And I'm only doing this because, again, I just want a nice, sexy, light bump. I don't want it to be anything major. We just want to throw some curl in it and keep it moving, okay? Because we got places to go. All right? So I'm just putting this right on in here. I'm just making sure that's getting hot all the way around. These are really great, guys. And I got these as a deal with a pair of flat irons, but I don't like the flat irons at all. And they're Babyliss flat irons, but they are not good. But the wand curler is fire. Just going, oh, shucks. That got my damn eye. Just using my holding spray. I hope it don't mess up my makeup, y'all. I'm just gonna come on to this side and do big curls and sections again. Make sure you comb your hair out real good. Okay. Do the first section. So tonight, Joe has a gig at somewhere small, actually. Just a cute little bar. I usually like to go because I just like to eat for free. And that's just keeping it 1,000. And the way we're paying for our wedding, eating for free is really on the agenda. So that's like literally my motivation for everything right now. Like, I don't want to cook and I don't want to pay to eat. So that's my life right now. I'm just going to do big sections. Okay. And then I'm just going to finger her out. Oh, that sounded dirty. I know. That sounded dirty. I just want a nice little wave. Nothing major. And voila. We have the ultimate groupie hairstyle. So I came through. I gave you not only a look in the bathroom, got her together in the bathroom because sometimes that's what you got to do, right? But then I came through and curled her up with our babyless wand curlers, flattened her down with our setting mousse from Effigy, and I am all done. Okay, let me give you inches. I don't know if I did that already. Mind you, she's been worn out. Worn out, okay? And we brought her all the way back to life in like what? Less than 10 minutes. That's the back. Let me know what you guys are thinking. I really do love Nadula Hair. They actually, they do no wrong to me. Like, absolutely, positively no wrong. I don't care what you or your mama say, okay? Make sure you bust down, subscribe to this channel, get into this. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later.